Good afternoon, students. Today I will teach integration, that is by rational fraction. How to integrate it, okay, the function by partial fraction. Okay, by partial fraction. Okay, see. Suppose integration dx ax by, so x minus a, suppose x plus by x minus a into x minus b dx is given. Okay, so first of write their linear is there, no? So write ax plus b by x minus a into x minus b equal to write a by x minus a plus b by x minus b. Oh, then you have to integrate the function. Understood? Ax plus b by x minus a into x minus b dx is given. Therefore, this is nothing matter. Okay, x minus or x minus b or x minus p or x minus q is like that. Anything is there. So we give you one example. Suppose this is the rule. Rule 1. Keep in mind. Suppose 2x plus 3 by, write it. See, x minus 2 or x minus 3 dx is given. How to solve? How to integrate the function? First to write here 2x plus 3 is there, no? So write 2x plus 3 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. Write a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 3. Okay. Now look at here. So a into x minus 3 plus b into x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x minus 3. So consecutive put here x plus 3 is given by x minus 2 or x minus 3. If we compare coefficient of x, one process also there. Otherwise directly put here, you put x equal to 3 for the numerator. You put x equal to 3 first. Then see, look at here, that side. Okay, 2 into 3 plus 3 equal to, so this part will be 0. Okay, then b into 3 minus 2, 1. So right here 9 b is 9, and you put x equal to 2 here, only numerator this value, 2x plus 3 put a into this part you put here. Okay, so x equal to 2, then it will be 2 into 2 plus 3, okay, equal to, so this part will be 0, so a 2 minus 3, that is minus a, so a equal to minus 7. Understood? So you can write this part, integration is there. So this part you can write a by x minus a. Okay, a by x minus a. For that is a by x minus 2. See, a by this part, a by x minus 2. A value will be here minus 7. So minus 7 by x minus 2. Okay, and b is 9. So dx plus integration 9 by x minus 3 dx. Okay, so this is ln x minus 2 here, minus 7 log of x minus 2 plus 9 log of x minus 3 plus c. Understood? It will like that. Okay, so by rational fraction, integrate the function by fraction. Okay, so again I am showing another question also there. See, what, 1 minute. See, suppose integration x by, so x minus 2 x minus 3 dx is there. Okay, how to solve? Say, so write first x by x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3 equal to a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Okay, a by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus 3. Okay, now write, see, x minus 2 into x minus 3 plus b x minus 1 into x minus 3 plus c x minus 1 into x minus 2. Okay, by, so x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. Here also see x by this one, this will be x by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. Okay, see, you put conjugate x equal to 1, 2, 3, put like that. See, fraction is there, so you write x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You put first 1, so write here 1. Only numerator part, keep in mind, only numerator part. Okay, now 1, look at here 1. So this part will be a. So this is minus 1 into minus 2. Now look at this part will 0, no? Okay, so you will get a. Here you will get the value of a will be half. Again, you put 2. So 2 equal to, so this will be 0. And b, so write b into 2 minus 1, 1 into 2 minus 3, minus 1. So we are getting b equal to minus 2. Okay, and c, put x equal to 3. So this is 0, this is 0, this part. So c into 3 minus 1, 2, and x, that is 3 minus 2, 1. So c, this is twice into 2. So write c equal to, we are getting 2 by 3. Okay, now, so this part integration is there. A by, see, x minus 1, the value of a will be half. So write half integration dx by x minus 1. Okay, plus b, b is there, minus 2. So write here minus 2 dx by x minus 2. Okay, and c 2/3 plus 2/3 of dx by x minus 3. So write x minus 3. Okay, now you just integration dx by x minus 1, get log x minus 1. So now write so right, this will be half log of x minus 1 to log of x minus 2 plus 2/3 log of x minus 3 plus c. Okay, if denominator, that is factors, product of 2 or more quantities here. Okay, that you have to solve this like that. Okay, again, suppose rule to write integration, suppose px plus q by, okay, x minus a whole square dx. This is given whole square, x minus a whole square dx is there. Okay, see, px plus q by x minus a whole square dx. So write integration. So now write, wait, let px plus q by x minus a whole square equal to write a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square. Keep in mind. Understood? Suppose 2x plus 3 by x minus 2 whole square. This is given. How to do? Yeah, any method got it. If x minus 2 equal to z, Just put the value, you will get the result. No problem in that. Now by the decimal fraction, how to do? By the fraction procedure. Okay, how to do? So now write 2x plus 3 by x minus 2 whole square. You can write. So a by x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2 whole square. Okay. Now write a into x minus 2 plus b by x minus 2 whole square. Okay. From here, you put here b is nothing is there. Okay, so you write here like that. See, ax plus b minus 2a by x minus 2 whole square. So if you compare, look at here, ax equal to twice x. See, writing 2x plus 3 by x minus 2 whole square. If you compare a equal to 2, no, we are getting a equal to 2. Okay, and b, so right, b minus 2a equal to 3. So b minus 4 equal to 3. So b equal to 7. So if you put here x equal to 2, okay, here you will 0, that is 2, 4, yeah, will be 7 also, no problem. This process of previous process also you can do. You can do also previous process. Okay. So a2, b7. Now write. So you can write here 2 by, say, a by x minus 2, that is 2 integration dx by x minus 2, okay, plus b, b7, 7 by integration dx by x minus 2 whole square. So write 2 log of x minus 2 minus 7 by x minus 2 plus c. 1 by x minus 2 whole square will be minus 1 by x minus 2. Okay, so it will be minus 7 by x minus 2. Just copy first. Okay. Now rule 3. Suppose here px square plus qx plus r is given. Okay. By suppose x minus a, x minus b of x minus c is given. Okay. Dx. So write let. So this part px square plus qx plus r by x minus a, x minus b, x minus c equal to, you can write here a by x minus a, b by x minus b, so c by x minus a. Okay, a by x minus a plus b by x minus b plus c by x minus a. Then you have to compare. Similar process you can do also, no problem in there. Okay, equal to similar process. The fact here a into this like that and put x equal to a or b and c both numerator, then you will get the result, the value of a, b and c and put them. Okay. Suppose saying this one. Suppose 2x square plus 3x plus 6 by, right. So x minus 1, x minus 2 of x minus 3 dx. This is given. Okay, now, so write this part writing and 2x square plus 3x plus 6 by x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3. So write a by x minus 1, okay, plus b by x minus 2 plus c by x minus Now you can add this part will be okay. Right, equal to a x minus 2 x minus 3 plus b x minus 1 x minus 3 plus c x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by what will be the x minus 1 x minus 2 x minus 3. Okay, now put x equal to 2. If you put 2, so this is 0, this also 0, okay? So you will get b. Understood? As I put first x equal to 1. See, x equal to 1. So here 2 plus 3, 5, 6 means 11 equal to. Okay? Now look at here. Here x equal to 1, that is minus 1, minus 2, plus 2. So 2a, that is a equal to 11 by 2. Understood? We put x equal to 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1, and 1 minus 3, minus 2. Okay, we will positive a by 2. Again, we put x equal to 2. Then, see, this is 8, 6, and 6. That is 20. Okay? 8 and this is 20 equal to here. So this part will be 0 and this also 0. Now b 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 3, okay, minus 1. So minus b will minus b. So b will get 20. Understood? B equal to 20 are getting. And again you put x equal to 3. This is 18 plus 9 plus 6. 33 is there. So right, 33 equal to. So this is 0. This is also 0. So C. Here 3 minus 1, 2 into 2. And 3 minus 1. So C you are getting 33 by 2. Understood? So you can write here a by 11 by 2 integration dx by x minus 1 plus 20 integration dx by x minus 2 plus 33 by 2 integration dx by x minus 3. So 11 by 2 log of x minus 1 plus 20 log of x minus 2 plus 33 by 2 log of x minus 3 plus c. Okay? You put note that this process should be known to you, otherwise you can't possibly in the exam hall. Keep in mind, just you should remember, if products are there, you will do like that. Otherwise it's not possible. Okay? You have to practice at home. And you should know the rule. So some rules are very important somewhere. Okay? So next one, just to see. The products are there. Okay? Again, suppose integration rule 3, rule 4 is there, right? Px square plus qx plus r by, so x minus a whole square into suppose x minus b dx. So this one right here, numerator, okay, let px square plus qx plus r by x minus a whole square into x minus b equal a by x minus a plus b by x minus a whole square plus c by x minus b equal. Similarly, you have to do like that. Understand? And another is there, suppose integration, suppose px square plus qx plus r by ax plus b into, suppose mx square plus nx plus, suppose s is there, okay, suppose s. So this is not factorized. If it is not possible factorization, okay. If factorization no problem is there, if not factorized, then you do like that, dx is there, then this part will be right, a equal to right, let px square plus qx plus r by right ax plus b into mx square plus nx plus s, suppose. So right, a by ax plus b. Okay, no, what that? Right. Wait, no, right here, factor is there. Here, right, minus a, x plus b, right, okay. Plus here bx plus c by this part, mx square plus nx plus s, right. Here one linear form you write, because here square is there, so write linear form. Okay, then you will get the result. Keep in mind. Okay, I am showing one sum. If here this is not factorization, okay. See, I am showing one sum. Some integration, right? X plus 1 by, so x plus 3 into 2x square plus x minus, suppose 4 is there. Okay, dx. So this is not factorization. You cannot do the factors. Okay. So write x plus 1 by, see, writing x plus 1 by x plus 3 into 2x square plus x minus 4 equal to a by x plus 3 plus bx plus c by 2x square plus x minus 4. Okay, so write a into 2x square plus x minus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 3 by, yeah, x plus 3 into 2x square plus x minus 4. So if you put x minus 3, x equal to minus 3, you will get one value. So you need just to do like that. Okay. Now see, if you compare coefficient of x square, both the sides. Here 2a, right? 2a. Here bx plus x, bx square is there. Okay. So write 2a plus b of x square. Understood? Again that ax, suppose take x common here, a, here bx plus 3 here, that is 3b1, and cx plus c also there, and next one plus minus 4a, right, and c into 3, that is 3c plus 3c, okay, plus 3c. No constant is there, so right, divided by right, what will be the x plus 3 2x square plus x minus 4 is there. Now we compare, 2a plus b will be 0 now, no x square coefficient is there, so right, 2a plus b equal to 0, and write a plus 2b, a plus 3b plus c equal to 1, and minus 4a plus 3c we can write this will be also 1. Now you solve these three equations, you have to solve. You will get the value of a, b and c, and just you put whatever I'm writing there, no, just you have to prove. Okay, just put the value a by this, b by this here, a by x plus 3, and you will get b also, b and c. Then you have to integrate the function, you will get easily solved. Okay, now you look at here you put a b equal to minus 2a, no, so write b equal to minus 2a. Just put the value here, b equal to minus 2a, that is a plus 3 into minus 2a plus c equal to 1, that is a minus 6a plus c equal to 1, that is minus 5a plus c equal to 0. Oh, sorry, this is 1, okay, 1, and here minus 4a plus 3c, you multiply this by 3, that is 15a plus 3c, okay, equal to 3. Now these two equations have to solve, this and this. If you subtract, so c will be cancelled, no, so write minus 15a subtract plus 4a, cancel, that is 3 minus 1, 2, here minus 11a equal to 2, so a equal to 2 by minus 11, you get the value of 4, and you are getting b, so write b equal to minus 2a, b equal to minus 2a, just put the value, minus 2 into 2 by minus 11, that is 4 by 11, so you are getting a, you are getting, wait, a you are getting 2 by minus 11, b you are getting 4 by 11, and c you are getting, just to put the value here, okay, see, minus 4a plus 3c equal to 1, the minus 4 into 2 by minus 11 plus 3c equal to 1, that is 8 by 11 plus 3c equal to 1, okay. Now c equal to, you are getting 1 minus 8 by 11, that is 3 by 11, so 1 by 11 you are getting c, so c you are getting 1 by 11. Now you put the result, understood? Wait. If you take simple function, no, then it will be very easy. Say a by that is integration there, 2 by minus 11 by x plus 3 dx, bx plus c 4 by 11 xc 1 by 11 by 2x square plus x minus 4 dx. Now here minus 2 by 11 log of x plus 3 plus 1 by 11 common, okay, so 4x plus 1 by 2x square plus x minus 4 dx. Now look at it, put dx, you will get this part, 4x plus 1, no, so write minus 2 by 11 log of x plus 3 plus 1 by 11 log of, write 2x square plus x minus 4 plus c, like this, okay. Okay, all of you understood? And I am starting to give various type of sums. You have to practice at home. Okay? Okay, no more.